broccoli a disease-fighting vegetable? The name broccoli is derived from an Italian name Brocco. It may not be a favorite vegetable for many, especially kids, but it has great number of properties to benefit your entire body. It can be stated as one of the finest vegetables which fight numerous diseases. With a high vitamin content, it tops the list in the vegetables department. It is known that broccoli has more vitamin C in comparison to orange. It also has good amount of calcium, which you find in abundance in our very own milk. Just the presence of so many good qualities helps broccoli to combat many health problems. It contains components which fight deadly disease like cancer. Broccoli sprouts contains more cancer-fighting elements in comparison to well-developed broccoli. Eating broccoli sprouts on regular basis prevents stomach cancer. It also minimizes your chance of gastritis and peptic ulcer. Your sun-damaged skin gets a sigh of relief as it protects your skin. This saves you from diseases like skin cancer. Your heart problems are reduced and chances of heart disease is sloped down to minimal. If you want to improve cataract problems, have broccoli sprouts at least twice a week. Your chances of having cataract are reduced immensely. It builds your immune system if you have broccoli in small amounts. It spikes your system due to the presence of zinc and other required minerals. It should be considered as a boon for many pregnant women because it contains folic acid. This folic acid is quite rare, due to which broccoli becomes very important. It helps in proper development of the fetus without any defects. It is very good to help you with rheumatoid arthritis. The richness of vitamin C in broccoli saves you from suffering pain by polyarthritis. It is great for asthma patients due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory factors. Many of your asthma problems are reversed by having broccoli. Deficiency of vitamin C is the main cause of easy bruising. This deficiency is overcome by eating broccoli. Home remedies. Having parboiled broccoli is very good to remove heartburn. Eating broccoli can help you to reduce the high sugar level. Warning: the viewer of this video should exercise all precautionary measures while following instructions on the home remedies from this video. Avoid using any of these products if you are allergic to it. The responsibility lies with the viewer and not with the channel or the writer. Like, share and subscribe the channel.